Baymax.
Alright, go. So now what did Baymax do in this movie? Tell me something cool he did.
Baymax is of the little robots.
What did he do with the little robots?
The little guy fight him and...
Don't break Daddy's camera.
Okay, it's not flashing.
What are you doing?
Got it.
You're making my camera crazy.
There you go.
You're like E.T. Elliot. Like that. Can you finish telling me about Baymax and how he saved the day?
Please save the day.
How did he do it? What did he do?
He sworn and fly in the air.
And what else?
And the dad come in and the little dad. I don't know.
Where did we watch the movie at?
At Big Hero 6.
Big Hero 6.
What do we call it?
What's the guy's name again?
Hero.
Oh yeah, what's the robot's name?
Hero. 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 Hero.
And who else?
Please stop it, Daddy.
Stop what? No more video?
No.
Hey, just spell your name so I can turn it off.
Leia.